Hi all, I am Evan Zangolia, founder and CEO of iNRI. Today, we'll be doing a quick demo of our India tax filing. Gone are the days when you have to call someone in India and get your taxes done. It's hard, it's complicated, and it's slow. Welcome to our digital first approach with iNRI. We offer a convenient and fast solution right from the comfort of your home. iNRI offers the easiest way to file India taxes for NRIs and OCIs around the world. We cover multiple scenarios like interest and dividend income, real estate and inheritance, capital gains across mutual funds and stocks, business income as well. The pricing starts at $69 with our $30 off early bird coupon. We offer a 100% digital and 0% confusion process. You can also use our price calculator to estimate the filing fee. How does it work? First, tell us about yourself. Find your tax expert, connect with them as needed, and review and relax finally when you approve your return. Why file your India taxes? Extremely important to stay compliant, claim your refunds, as well as serve as a financial proof with the Indian government. For experts that have filed more than 10,000 tax filings, particularly specializing in NRI taxation. Further, your data is safe with us and we safeguard its privacy to the utmost care. So let's get started. Get started with adding your personal information, adding where you live from, any bank accounts that you have in India, if you have any rental property or have sold a property, received any bank interest or sold stocks or mutual funds, have any income in India, if you made any donations, have insurance or have even a housing loan. That's it. Finally, add any comments that you would want your expert to know. Once you submit, we'll assign you a tax expert and will revert back in next 48 hours. Ultimately, your tax expert will speak with you, get your draft ready, and file your return. Isn't that easy? File your India taxes this season with iNRI. Thank you.